Drip, splash. I need a mop on this damn stage. Whip, lash. I'm bending these blocks, ain't a thing change. Get cash forever, it's never enough, bitch. I save change. Big facts. I'm leveling up, you the same lane. Drip, splash.
Good day, YouTube. This is the first video of the week on the subscribers recommended channel. The video that I'm about to react to is Brodnax Pocket Watch. Official music video. I was laughing because I was about to say the following: in the bookstore with my pocket watch, wifey going hard with the squats. Shout out Logic. But Brodnax made a song called Pocket Watch. The person that requested this is Carolyn Ussery. If I said that wrong, please let me know. But shout out to you, Carolyn. Thank you for your request. I'm gonna go ahead and react to this right now, so let's watch.
I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. Came out drunk, or everybody spit off. They must know I can and I can head off. I ain't never let all, bet all your money on me. If you trying to get the cheddar, ain't no good, best better. Still the best hitter. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter? Want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch off when I run it up the middle. Just like Brodnax, your broke ass got no fashion. That slow rapping got no passion. Running that Ronnie sucker with no practice, no acting, no capping like Rick James. Still slapping that dude bang like 2 Chainz. You don't do shit, we do thing. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, square body, take 2 lanes. I'm everywhere. Food chain, grip, brain, drip, stain. Oops out the roof, what it do, man? Show love, you get love. You cause problems, mood change. Shoot game on so.
He said, I'm everywhere. Food chain. Burger King is nationwide. Worldwide at that. McDonald's, worldwide. Man, he's saying I'm everywhere. Hey, when you become a rap star, or you a rapper or something like that, yeah, you're gonna be nationwide. Especially now with the internet. Oh yeah, people from other countries can look you up. Hell yeah. Without a doubt. Let me go back like 5 seconds.
Drip, stain, oops out the roof, what it do, man? Show love, you get love, you cause problems, mood change. Shoot game on Soldier Slim. Jumping out the gym.
He said, you show love, you get love. When you disrespect, it's a mood change. Try to tell people that, like everybody should know that. Like, Eddie Griffin said it best. If you don't fuck with me, I won't fuck with you. Couldn't get any more simpler than that. And it's crazy that some people would think that by you disrespect, like people that disrespect other people is gonna make them respect them. No. I hate to blast some people, but I'm not gonna blast anybody in particular by name. But some of the people in the older generation, I've seen this happen where you know how they always say respect your elders, right? I get that. I get it. But if some of your elders are disrespecting you, you got all right to disrespect them back. It's crazy. Don't get it twisted. Respect the elders, yes, only if they respect you. But the minute you feel they disrespecting you, I wouldn't say hit them or anything. Just be like, yo, you gotta talk to them. Well, do you have to talk to them different? Instead of being like, yo, I'll F stuff up in here. Don't mess with me. Or do you say, yo, you crossing the line, bro. I don't wanna do this with you. I'm just letting you know that you crossing the line right now. But all that rah-rah stuff, I don't know if that's the right way to go about it, but if you have to, then hey, I'm not stopping you. But I've always heard this, respect your elders. But what they don't tell you is if your elders respect you, yes, respect them. The minute they disrespect you, you got all right to disrespect them back. They're human just like you. Only thing is they've lived longer than you. But yeah, just don't go blatantly disrespecting your elders. No. Even if they are disrespecting you, I would say try to be respectful, and if that doesn't work, then you got all right to disrespect them. At least you try to take another route before you went the disrespectful one.
Told them boys not to play with them. Looking for the one bitch, I am him. Cook the beef, slice it thin. Clean my plate, then take a shit. Then where you been at? Raising my little kids, yeah. They grow up and tell their friends that my daddy done did that. Come home with a big bag, make a hate a big man. Boy, you just baloney, trying to act like you a big man. Long cut when the green Copenhagen for when I spit raps. We making it cooler, big country, and them is big. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up. Westman Road, Monroe, Louisiana native. Hometown, born and raised. Westman Road, Bobby Briscoe on the beat, bitch.
That should be a new ad lib for him. Kind of like how Logic had the 50 thing on his on the Bobby Tarantino mixtape. That should be a tag, either a tag or like a cool ad lib. But I'm gonna leave it here. That was Brodnax with Pocket Watch. It's crazy how a beat can be so simple but so fire at the same time. The key to simplicity. I'm gonna leave it here. Actually, you know what? Did I download any music from him? I know I downloaded music from Adam Calhoun, and yeah, I gotta get back to downloading more music. Brodnax is definitely gonna be in my phone for sure. Definitely. But I can only download the ones that I've reacted to already. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I will see you guys in the second video. With that said, Dante Brown is out.
Look at my life, look at everything I got, it's nice. It's crazy how God blessed me twice. I still can't feel anything but ice. Damn, I'm a demon by heart. That was my part from start.